Okay, so now what we're going to do is you're going to put in some data. So I've already entered in 5 records there, and I want you to do the same. You're just going to enter 5 because we're actually going to do something a lot better with this database. You'll notice a few things about it when you start entering data that kind of could be some faults. One little thing just to draw your attention to is as you enter them in, look at these primary key fields. Okay, this is the student ID. They're being numbered, and then being numbered as a series here, but it really doesn't matter what those are. So say, for example, I was to put in a record here. Okay, put in a record. Now I've just done something that should highlight an error in the design of this database. Here, I'll do it again. Did you see what that was? A fault with this database? How's the integrity of this database? Anyway, so there's that record here, and that's been numbered 6. Now, if I just delete that record, okay, and I go to, I go and say, oh, actually, I didn't want to delete it. I want to put it in again. You see it's numbered 7 now. Now, does that matter? Have a think about that. Okay, so what I want you to do now is pause the video, and I want you to go ahead and I want you to enter in 5 records, and I want you to come up with some ideas about why the database design is going to mean that what you're making has a very little integrity. Okay, so what's wrong with this structure that gives it little integrity? Okay, so that's the end of that video. What you need to do now is open your database, enter some data, and then think about the integrity issue.